Hello, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. In this video, we will see object-oriented programming in Java programming language. So before going to start, I just want to let you know that we have made lot of videos on different topics in Java programming language. So please do watch those videos and share with your friends. And if you like that videos, then definitely subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos. I know this is very a late video we are going to publish. Okay, so I hope we will I will try to continue this series as long as it goes. Okay, so let's start. So OOP in layman's terms. Okay, we are not going through code. We just wanted to know what exactly is OOP. Okay, in real life terms. Okay, so as we know, there are cars we have seen Tata, Hyundai, Maruti Suzuki, and lot of cars we have seen on the roads. Okay, they have some same features like they have some like they have speed, they have model number, they have price, they have year of manufacturing, and they have some colors, right? And if we talk about some their functionalities, then they can start, they can move, they can stop, they can horn, they can do lot of things in a car. Okay, they have music players. Okay, so every car has some same feature. Okay, different cars have different feature, but in most of the car every feature almost same. Okay, so we can take an example here. An object, what exactly is OOP? OOP basically deals with the classes and object, and what we can understand in real life, a car can be a class for this object oriented programming thing. In real life, how can a car be a class? Okay, so let's take a car. A car is a class. Okay, and Tata, Hyundai, Maruti Suzuki are the objects of that particular class car. Okay, and every class has some features. Every class has consists some feature, and object can use that features and their attributes. Okay, so this is all about. So what exactly here in this scenario, car is our class. What are the objects? Objects are Tata, Hyundai, Maruti Suzuki. And what are the attributes and properties? That means what are the Tata car object feature? Tata car object can start, move, stop, and horn. What is the Tata object attribute? Speed, model, price, year, color. Okay, so these are the things that we use same in our programming language. Okay, let's take one more example to understand this whole scenario. Okay, open layman's terms. Let's take an example of house. Okay, so what exactly? Basically, we will go through the definition. Then lot you will understand more about this concept. Oops. Okay. So let's take here an example. Let's take an example of house. Okay, house. There are multiple builders. We know builders has blueprint for an house. Okay, and house has some properties and attributes basically. So, what are the attributes in case here? House number and house area. Okay, what is the length and breadth of that particular house? What are the properties of that house? People, fitting, water supply, and lot of other things as well. So, in this case, what exactly is class? So, blueprint. Blueprint is common for all. House can be different by their properties and attributes. So that is why blueprint is our class and house is our object. And from the blueprint or design of our house, we can make multiple houses. Okay, so this is so here in this scenario, house is our object, blueprint is our class, and house has these house number, area, attributes, and people, fitting, water supply are the features, or we can say behavior. Okay, so what exactly is object oriented programming language? Okay, so this is a basic a way of writing code in programming language on the basis of classes and object is simply object oriented programming language. Okay, so a code in which we deal with objects and classes, that type of programming is known as object oriented programming language. In Java we use lot of classes, lot of objects to why we use object oops, we use oops to execute code fast, to we don't want to repeat code every time. Okay, so don't DRY, this is the concept of don't repeat yourself. Okay, so object oriented programming language help us to code reuse functionality. Okay, and it also help us to write code very clean and structural, so we can understand very easily. Okay, so what exactly is class? I think this is these two pictures will make you a lot of make you very clear about what exactly is class in object oriented programming. So class is basically group of object which have common properties. If you take an example, if you take that previous example of car, so car is a group of lot of car. Okay, and it is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. In short, a class is the specification or template or blueprint of an object. Okay, so if the first example is group of army people. Okay, so here army can be a class. Okay, RB can be a class. Okay, and one person Jitinder Singh, Captain Batra, so these can be an object. Okay, so in army there are some functionalities, there are some attributes, there are some properties, common properties that every candidate has. So that's why we are referring army as a class. Okay, in same if we talk about fruits, so fruit can be a class. Okay, but apple can be an object because fruit in fruit there are a lot of things. Fruit can be fruit has different type of properties. Okay, they have color, they have size, they have taste. Okay, so this is all about classes. If we talk about object, object is a real life entity that possesses some state and behavior. Okay, Java defines an object as an instance of class with instance variable that represent the object state and method that represent the object activity. I know. These are the terms instance, class, instance variable. What are these things? We will see in different video. But here you just wanted to know, or I just wanted to let you know that apple is an object which has some property, like it has some color, it has some taste. Okay, and apple is an object of fruit class. Okay, in the same case if we talk this car Hyundai, this is it, this is an object of a which class? Car. Okay, so this is the object and classes. If we talk about the pillars of OOPS, OOPS has some characteristic, okay, on which all OOPS concepts are working right now. So there are four basically pillars of the object-oriented programming languages. That is encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance. These are the four things that we will discuss later in videos with very good real life examples, so that you can understand and you can relate all the things and you can implement those things in Java programming language. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel, that is Tech Natives, as you already know, and please share this video to all of your friends. Thank you for watching this video.